Hello, everybody. Welcome to the studio.
Cappuccino or pepperoni pizza.
Here we are with the puppy in the lap. He does not like me doing things without him, and he has just woken up from a nap. So, he's like in a mummy fuss mood. He wants me to play with him and give him all my attention, and if I let him run around in here by himself, then he gets into all sorts of trouble. I mean, there's a pile of wood there waiting to be turned into cupboards, and he likes to try and chew on that. There's material lying around, there's carpets and stuff on the daybed there. Oh, I need to sneeze. It's gone. And so he will steal what he can to try and get my attention and stuff. And he just wants to be with me, which I completely understand because I'm amazing. Yeah, he's wanting to play. He's not wanting to sit and sleep while I do craftsy things. Because today I'm doing craftsy things. I found these adorable little fellas online. And you want to go down now? And he's looking at me and he's like, Mom, why did you put me down? It's like, come on, let's go do things. Let's go find snails to feed to the chickens. Ooh, that's an awful noise. So anyways, found these little guys, boop, on Pinterest. And I was like, I want to make those. They're adorable. And not just to have as like Halloween decorations. I would legitimately have these as year-round decorations. I don't know why. I like the sheet ghosts. They warm my heart a little bit. I think they're really cute. I like them a lot. So, what we need to make these guys, some gauze. You can pick these up at your local pharmacy. They fall out to be pretty nice and big. What else you need is he's chewing on the chair. It won't be impossible, you're being a puppy. Some fabric stiffener, and he's licked my face when I'm all itchy, and some balloons, and a toilet roll. Or multiple of them if you're going to be making multiple of them, because otherwise you have to wait for each one to dry individually. Hey, stop eating my shoes. And he really knows how to get my attention. I'm not going to be able to film this right now, am I? I'm so itchy. So I've made one already and it turned out pretty well. You need a balloon. All of the background shuffling, that is PAX. Here's my loo roll. Here's my balloon. I'm going to blow up my balloon. Not very big, actually. That'll be cute. I like that. It'll be short with a big head. Maybe we'll let it out a little bit. It's like, what? So you're going to that, and I should find some tape. Oh, speak of the devil, and you shall appear. Look at my hair. What's happening up there? I just put it up because I was like, eh. I'm just gonna tape my balloon to my bug roll. It doesn't flop around. That's pretty good. We need 2 pieces of tape. And then you've got your little ghost to put your gauze on. And yes, this will stand by itself. I'm now going to introduce you to the mess that is down here. Inexplicable, really. Oh, also, did I say you need ribbons? If you want, you can decorate them with ribbons. And preferably black felt if you've got it, to make the eyes. I don't have black felt currently, so I'm using something that my puppy keeps stealing, a piece of scrap fabric, and it's got black bits in it, so I'm cutting the eyes out of that. So, also, like, if you are smart and not me, ooh, an old cup of coffee here, and it's my mom's. She's working on like a pencil drawing right there, and it's beautiful. Focus. Send the glasses flying. That's helpful. So a tray to dip or stuff in. I don't know what I was saying. So just pour some fabric stiffener. This is really old fabric stiffener, but it still works. Pour it into your tray. We are going to dip the gauze in there, squeeze it out, and drape it. Reason being, I don't know. Oh, I was telling you, If you're smart and not me, wear gloves to do this. My hands are covered in cuts and blisters and all sorts of stuff, so I should really be using gloves because it kind of stings to not use gloves when you're working with fabric stiffener. Our balloon, our gauze. Try not to get it on your own clothes, but it does wash out, but try not to get it on your own clothes. This is such an unattractive angle, not just for me, but for the project. That's better. You don't need to see my face. Okay, what's happening? There's so much stuff. I made a huge mess yesterday. It dries like glass. It's pretty cool. All right, so roll up those sleeves and dip. Reason I ended up with this huge mess is because I would like do this and then I wouldn't squeeze out all the excess. So I ended up with like huge piles. Look at how tiny it goes. Huge puddles of fabric stiffener that was just really wasteful and took forever to dry. So you don't want to do that. You want to squeeze out that excess fabric stiffener so that you don't have huge puddles and hours and hours and hours of drying going on. Because this does dry pretty quickly, like a couple hours. But yeah, so you just want to, whoa! This is the problem though. I need to like stick it down. So really you're just kind of shaping your little ghosty with your gauze and making it as cute as you want it to be. Get that out of here. Get out. One of my favorite movies actually. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, just drape the gauze over your balloon and shape your little ghosty. So many cuts in my hands, it hurts. Ooh. No. Okay, I'm going to go and get more gauze and wash my hands. Howdy, friends. Okay, keep going with that gauze. Layer it up as much as you want until it looks the way you want it to. I don't want to have any gaps. Last time I just used 4 pieces of gauze. Ooh, I don't like the way that looks. And when you use 4 pieces, you end up with nice big gaps on the sides, which is kind of cute in its own way, but this one I'm putting a little more effort into because it's for you guys. See, sometimes I'm prepared, sometimes I test things before I make them. Not always, but sometimes. This is a really fun project, just by the way. Like, it may not look like it, but if you're anything like me, just loves doing weird artsy crap sometimes. It's fun. I swear. I think, just for good measure, I'm gonna put another one down there. Okay, that's looking really cute. I'm happy with it. I'm not gonna fiddle anymore. So now we leave that to dry and to harden, and she'll be standing by herself. I've decided she's a girl. I'm gonna put a ribbon on her. Okay, so yeah, I will see you when that has hardened. I'm also gonna make a couple more little ones because I want to cut a couple of little ones like this. Should be up to like here with her. I'm gonna make a few of those, and then yeah, I'll show you the rest. Okay, I've got to go wash my hands before I can stop this. And we're back. In the studio, I probably have Oreo in my teeth because of another video, which if you haven't checked it out, my little Oreo bat cupcakes, go check it out. It's super cute. All right, and whole day has passed. I look like ass. And these guys are dry. Now comes the interesting bit, which is I'm not looking forward to it. Okay, so let's go back down here to our Ghosty Goos and do the part that I don't like doing. Okay. And you see, I made another 2, but this one looks huge. It's not, it's smaller than this one. So I'm just gonna try and peel them up from the bottoms. So there's one. Oh, so cute. And here's our big one. Oh, my baby Boo is here. How convenient. If you can hear a puppy yelling in the background, he's in his box. It's his bedtime. And, yeah, he should be asleep. What do I do with this? Okay, you know what? Let's start with this one. So, I mean, this isn't a great way of doing it. It's easier to just kind of pop the balloon. But, you know, since this is pretty stiff, there are still some slightly wet bits. And this is the part that can cause your whole structure to like cave in and change shape. Because obviously it's all stuck to the balloon. Maybe I should have greased the balloons or something beforehand, but I didn't. Oh no, no, stay up there. And here we have a ghost. Isn't that cool? Isn't that just so fun? I love it. All right, let's do the other two. Oh, there she is. She just has to be involved sometimes. I like that this one's got little floaty bits that float off the floor. It's so cute. So there we go. We have a big one. We have a littler in. Oh my goodness. And we have the littlest in. And they're so cute. So now we're gonna glue some eyes onto them. It's so cute. Okay, so there you have it. And the next part is completely optional. Ribbons. So you can tie a little bow. Then you can glue that little bow onto the heads. So that's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me in this channel, then please subscribe. All right, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Ooh.